Football is full of numbers. 11 against 11, 4-4-2, goal tallies. So next time you watch a football match, look out for the hidden maths. Let's go over now to the Kickabout studio to see what today's Maths of the Day topic is.
Thanks, Gary. So today's Maths of the Day topic is football fractions. A fraction is a part of something. For example, a football team has 11 players, so each player is 1/11th of the team. And a football pitch is split into two halves. A half is one equal part of something that's been split in two. Other fractions include the third, one part of something that's been split into three, and the quarter, one part of something that's been split into four. A football match lasts 90 minutes, and TV pundits often say it's a game of two halves, so half of a match would be 45 minutes. Remember, one match lasts 90 minutes. Back to you, Gary, in the studio.
Thanks, Ben. Let's try some more football fractions. Question 1. How long would 1/3 of a match be? One third of a match is 30 minutes. 3 lots of 30 minutes makes 90 minutes. Let's see how you do with the next one. Question 2. How long would 1/5 of a match be? That was a trickier one. 1/5 of a match equals 18 minutes. And finally, question 3. How long would 1/10 of a match be? One-tenth of a match equals 9 minutes. Result. Did you realise that to get the answers, you just had to divide 90 minutes by the number on the bottom of your fraction? That number is called the denominator, while the number on the top is called the numerator. That's all from me for now. Keep practising and you'll soon be a footballing fraction fan.